You won't believe how much. The stock market has been on a roller coaster ride, but today it's hitting new highs. Investors everywhere are buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Did you know that even after the ups and downs, the stock market has historically grown an average of about 10% per year? This consistent growth over the long term is what makes the stock market such an attractive investment option. It's like a powerful engine driving your financial future forward. That's right, that's more than your savings account. While your savings account might offer a safe place to store your money, the returns are often minimal. In contrast, investing in the stock market can provide you with much higher returns, especially if you start early and stay invested for the long haul. This means your money has the potential to grow significantly over time. Pretty amazing, right? Imagine the possibilities: funding your dream vacation, buying your first home, or even retiring early. The power of compound interest and market growth can turn your modest investments into substantial wealth. But here's the thing. You can't just throw your money into any stock and expect to get rich. The stock market can be unpredictable, and not all stocks perform well. Some may even lose value. It's crucial to do your homework and make informed decisions. You need to be smart about it. Educate yourself on the fundamentals of investing, understand the risks involved, and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. This might involve diversifying your portfolio, investing in index funds, or seeking advice from financial experts. You need to understand the basics of investing and choose stocks that align with your financial goals. This means looking at a company's financial health, its growth potential, and the overall market conditions. It's not just about picking the hottest stock, it's about making choices that will help you achieve your long-term objectives. That's what this guide is all about, helping you, the beginner investor, navigate the exciting world of the stock market in 2025. We'll cover everything from understanding stock market basics to advanced investment strategies. So buckle up and get ready to embark on your investment journey with confidence and knowledge. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. The sheer volume of information, the complex charts, and the constant market fluctuations can make anyone feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, you're not alone in feeling this way. Many people have been in your shoes and have successfully navigated their way to becoming confident investors. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. With a bit of research and some patience, you can understand the basics and start making informed decisions. The key is to start small and gradually build your knowledge and confidence. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. In simple terms, when you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company. This means you have a stake in the company's future success. If the company does well, the value of your stock increases. Conversely, if the company faces challenges, the value of your stock might decrease. It's a dynamic process that reflects the real-world performance of businesses, and as that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your stock goes up. This is why it's important to choose companies with strong growth potential. Look for businesses with innovative products, solid management teams, and a clear vision for the future. By investing in such companies, you can benefit from their success and see your investment grow over time. So why is investing important, especially in 2025? The world is changing rapidly and new opportunities are emerging every day. By investing now, you can take advantage of these opportunities and position yourself for future growth. Whether it's in technology, healthcare, or renewable energy, there are countless sectors with immense potential. Because it's one of the best ways to grow your wealth over the long term. Investing allows you to put your money to work and earn returns that outpace inflation. Over time, these returns can compound, leading to significant growth in your wealth. This can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, funding your children's education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. The money you put in the market has the potential to work harder for you than it would sitting in a savings account. While savings accounts offer safety and liquidity, their returns are often minimal. In contrast, the stock market offers the potential for higher returns, especially if you're willing to take on some risk. By diversifying your investments and staying informed, you can manage this risk and maximize your returns. It's about taking control of your financial future. By investing, you're making a proactive decision to grow your wealth and secure your financial well-being. It's a journey that requires commitment, but the rewards can be substantial. So take the first step today and start investing. Your future self will thank you. Now, before you jump in headfirst, let's talk about some common challenges new investors face. The stock market can be volatile. Prices go up and down, sometimes dramatically. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive decisions. Another challenge is the sheer amount of information out there. It's overwhelming. Where do you even begin? The key is to start small, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Section 4. Top stocks for beginners in 2025. Let's get specific. All right, let's get to the good stuff, the stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Today, we'll be discussing some of the top stocks that are often recommended for those just starting out. These stocks have been chosen based on their strong performance, stability, and potential for growth. So, let's dive in and explore these opportunities. Remember, this is not financial advice, but here are a few companies that are often recommended for beginners due to their established track records and potential for growth. It's important to do your own research and consider your own financial situation before making any investment decisions. Now let's take a closer look at some of these companies. Tech giants Apple and Microsoft. These two companies have been at the forefront of technological innovation for decades. Apple, known for its iconic products like the iPhone and MacBook, has a loyal customer base and continues to release new and exciting products. Microsoft, on the other hand, dominates the software industry with its Windows operating system and Office suite. Both companies have strong financials and a history of consistent growth, making them solid choices for beginner investors. Amazon. This e-commerce giant has revolutionized the way we shop. From its humble beginnings as an online bookstore, Amazon has grown into a global powerhouse, offering everything from cloud computing services to streaming entertainment. Its relentless focus on customer satisfaction and innovation has made it a leader in its industry. For beginners, Amazon's strong market position and continuous growth make it an attractive investment option. Consumer goods, Procter & Gamble. This company is a staple in households around the world with a wide range of products from cleaning supplies to personal care items. Procter & Gamble's strong brand recognition and diverse product portfolio provide a level of stability that can be reassuring for new investors. The company's consistent performance and ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences make it a reliable choice. Coca-Cola. People need everyday products, making these companies relatively stable investments. Healthcare, Johnson & Johnson. Coca-Cola is a name synonymous with beverages, and its global presence ensures a steady demand for its products. Johnson & Johnson, a leader in the healthcare sector, offers a range of products from pharmaceuticals to medical devices. Both companies have a long history of stability and growth, making them excellent choices for those new to investing. United Health Group. The healthcare industry is constantly evolving, offering potential for long-term growth. As one of the largest healthcare companies in the world, United Health Group provides a range of services from insurance to healthcare technology. The company's focus on innovation and improving patient outcomes makes it a strong contender for those looking to invest in the healthcare sector. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a crucial strategy in investing. By spreading your investments across different industries and companies, you can reduce the risk of significant losses. This approach helps to balance your portfolio and provides a safety net in case one of your investments underperforms. Spread your investments across different industries to reduce risk. A well-diversified portfolio can help you achieve your financial goals while minimizing potential risks. Whether you're investing in tech giants, consumer goods, or healthcare companies, remember to keep your portfolio balanced and aligned with your financial objectives. Happy investing. Section 5. The secret weapon in your portfolio. Now here's a little secret that can supercharge your portfolio index funds. An index fund is like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in the performance of the overall market. Index funds are great for beginners because they offer instant diversification and are generally less volatile than individual stocks. They're a fantastic way to dip your toes into the market without having to become an expert stock picker overnight. Section 6. Smart investing, it's all about the long game. Investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, informed decisions and staying the course, even when things get bumpy. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations in the market. Remember, the key to successful investing is research. Understand the companies you're investing in deeply. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Think long-term. Ride out the market's ups and downs patiently. Section 7. Let's talk stocks. So, there you have it. The basics of stock market investing for beginners in 2025. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's always more to learn. But hopefully, this guide has given you the confidence to take that first step. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite stocks or investment strategies? What questions do you have about the market? Let's chat in the comments below.